Fine, let me go with the problem number 14. Fine, here find the HCF of 902, 1394 and 3321. Let me go with the division method of finding HCF. First I will go with these two numbers, then the other two numbers, that is whatever the HCF we are going to get from this, that and this number I will find. Now let me start working on this. 1394, that divided by 902. 902 ones are right, 902. 4 minus 2 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, that is 13 minus 9 is 4, right. 492, 902. Again ones are 492. 2 minus 2 is 0, 10 minus 9 is 1, 8 minus 4 is 4, 492. Again ones are 410, so we are going to get to 2, 9 minus 1 is 8. So then 410, 82, 5s are 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 1 41, 410. So the HCF of 902 and 1394, the HCF of 902 and 1394 is 82. Now I need to work with 82 and 3321. So HCF of 82 and 3321, 3321. Let me start working on it. 82 ones, 82 fours, 32, correct. 82 fours, right, 82 fours, then right, 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32. So 12 minus 8 is 4, so 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1 remainder, correct. Then let me go with this. So 40 is up, this will become 0, right. Now 41, that is 82. I need to divide 80, 41 2s are 82, 0. So the answer here is 41. The HCF of 902, 1394 and 3321 is 41.